Still struggling to get perfectly straight cuts on plywood? You're not alone, and that's exactly why we put together this list of the best track saws and guide systems you can buy right now. If you're a weekend DIYer or a serious woodworker, we're breaking down compatibility, track length, precision, and value, so you can stop guessing and start cutting clean. Let's get into it. Number 1. Milescraft Track Saw Guide. The Milescraft is a universal track saw guide system that works with most standard circular saws, making it one of the most flexible options on this list. It features a modular, adjustable design built from aluminum and plastic, giving you straight cut capability without needing to invest in a full dedicated track saw system. For the price, it punches well above its weight class. What really sets it apart is how beginner-friendly the whole setup is. You don't need special skills or expensive gear, just attach it to your existing circular saw and go. This is a great starting point for DIY users who want cleaner cuts without breaking the bank. Next up, the Going Make Parallel Guide, a precision-focused rip cut system built for anyone doing repetitive cuts in a shop or on a job site. It's made from aluminum with a calibrated scale that lets you dial in your measurements and repeat them accurately every single time. That consistency is genuinely hard to find at this price point. Cabinet makers and production woodworkers will feel right at home here. The adjustability is smooth, and the build quality feels solid in hand. If you're making a lot of repeatable rip cuts for cabinets, shelving, or panels, this guide is built with you in mind. Coming in at number 3, the Wen brings an impressive 110-inch track length to the table, and that extra length makes a real difference when you're breaking down full sheets of plywood or MDF. The aluminum rail construction keeps it lightweight yet rigid, and it works with Wen track saws as well as other brands through included adapters. That's a huge plus for versatility. For anyone working with large sheet goods regularly, this thing is practically purpose-built. The extended reach means fewer repositioning stops mid-cut, which saves time and improves accuracy, a top pick for shop work involving oversized panels. Number 4. Kreg KMA 2700 Track Saw Guide. The Kreg KMA 2700, also known as the Accu-Cut, is one of the most recognized names in DIY track guide systems, and for good reason. It offers a 48-inch track that's extendable, universal compatibility with circular saws, and that rock-solid Kreg build quality that woodworkers have trusted for years. Setup is straightforward, and the results speak for themselves. If you're looking for a system backed by serious brand reliability and a huge community of users, this is your pick. It's especially popular with homeowners and hobbyists tackling furniture builds or renovation projects. A proven, dependable choice for anyone new to guided cutting. Stepping things up, the Kreg KMA 3700, the Accu-Cut XL, is essentially the big brother of the KMA 2700, stretching out to a full 100-inch track length. That extra real estate means you can tackle full 4x8 sheets in a single pass, with the same trusted Kreg precision and aluminum build. It's a natural upgrade for anyone who already loves the standard Accu-Cut. The difference between this and its smaller sibling really comes down to sheet size. If full plywood sheets are a regular part of your workflow, the XL length eliminates the need to reposition mid-cut. Best for serious DIYers ready to level up their sheet goods game. Halfway through our list, the Wen CT9502 Track Saw Guide offers a 100-inch aluminum track at a price that's noticeably friendlier than some premium alternatives. It works with Wen's own track saws and accepts adapters for other brands, giving you solid versatility without a premium price tag. The build quality is more than adequate for regular home shop use. It's not the flashiest option out there, but it gets the job done reliably. If you want a long track solution without spending a lot, this one deserves a close look. A solid budget-friendly pick for those who need length without the luxury price. Number 7. PowerTech Track Connectors. Now, the PowerTech is a little different from everything else on this list. It's a track connector accessory rather than a standalone guide system. These metal connectors are designed to join two guide rails end to end, letting you extend your existing track setup for longer cuts. If you already own a compatible track saw system, this is a smart add-on. Think of it as the missing link between short rails and full sheet coverage. For production workers or anyone regularly needing more reach, these connectors are affordable and practical. A must-have accessory if you're working with modular track rail systems. Number 8. PowerTech 71423V Track Rail Clamps. Right alongside the connectors, the PowerTech 71423V rail clamps are another essential accessory you'll want in your kit. These steel clamps are designed to lock your guide rail securely to the workpiece surface, eliminating any slipping or shifting mid-cut. It sounds simple, but a moving track is the enemy of a clean cut. Stability matters more than people give it credit for. Whether you're cutting hardwood, plywood, or sheet stock, these clamps keep everything locked tight so your blade follows the line every time. An underrated but critical piece of any serious track saw setup. Number 9. BORA NGX Clamp Edge Guide. The BORA NGX Clamp Edge is one of the smartest designs on this list because it combines the guide rail and the clamp into a single integrated system. That means faster setup. You lay it down, clamp it, and cut. No separate steps required. At around 50 inches, it's great for mid-size cuts on countertops, planks, or sheet sections. If speed of setup is important to your workflow, the BORA is hard to beat. It's especially handy on job sites where you're moving around and need to work quickly. A clever, efficient pick for contractors and quick setup situations. Closing out our list, the Milescraft Track Square is the precision specialist of the group. Rather than guiding long rip cuts, this aluminum accessory ensures your crosscuts are perfectly square at 90 degrees, eliminating the guesswork that ruins otherwise good cuts. It's designed to work with the track saw guide system and is built for accuracy above all else. If you've ever ended up with a slightly off crosscut, you know exactly how frustrating that is. The Milescraft fixes that problem cleanly and affordably. A great finishing tool for woodworkers who care about square, accurate results on every single cut. And that's our full breakdown of the best track saws and guide systems available right now. If we had to pick just two, the Kreg KMA 3700 stands out for serious DIY errors, and the BORA NGX wins for fast, job site-ready setups. All links are in the description below. Go check them out. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Which one caught your eye? Drop a comment below. We'd love to know. See you in the next one.